Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Robert Roy, founder of WealthBuildersHQ.com. Welcome to Trade with Rob, which is for Friday, July 15th, 2021. TGIF, baby, huh? It's a-coming. The market's literally just closed. I've got about 6 or 7 minutes after the hour, so let's go take a look. Start off with the S&P 500, right? We had a little bit of a pullback again. Today, we closed near the 8 moving average, which shows some strength. But that rounding top does concern me a little bit. We have had an increase in volume, even though we've come down a little bit in the market. So again, are the bears starting to pick up some strength, some gusto, and go bam? Not sure, but we're going to check it out that way. So let's go take a look at our candidate today, which is SPOT, S-P-O-T. Come here, Spot. All right. Yeah, I never had a dog named Spot. Plenty of dogs, 2 of them now, but never one named Spot. So let's go take a look what's going on there. First, as we always do, let's jump into the Fibonacci and talk about that first. We've got a great V-top in here. Nice pull, move to the downside, a pullback, and a good bounce, right? We made it back up to the 236, which is hesitation. We broke out of the zero line once. It was a head fake. This one was a nice entry. Moved well beyond well, actually. Came back up. We broke through and bounced. And then we broke through again today. Yesterday, actually, we broke through. Today, we actually wound up continuing. Right? I looked at this as one yesterday and did not think it was going to work out. Picked a different candidate instead, and it was a good trade setup on this. So what are we looking for? On spot, SPOT, I need to move back up to the 254.94. Right? It's already down at its target, so it's moved too far. But it happened very quickly. So you've seen, as we've broken out before on some of these stocks, how they take forever moving around in there. So I want to see if we can get a move back up to the 254.92. If we don't, no harm, no foul, no trade taken, walk away, call it a day, right? We just look for another trade another day. But if we can, and we get that rollover, 247 is your first target, you're going to exit half of your trade at the 247 level, and you will move your stop down, which right now is at 257. You'll move your stop down somewhere down below the 254.92 level. Basically, I want you to break even. So I don't want this to go back up above, and it costs you anything if you don't get out of the second half of the trade at the target, and it moves to the stop on the second half. You're stopped out with a little bit of profit, small cost, break even, and that's really what the goal is, just to get through this without giving anything back on the second half of the trade. So 238 would be the second target. Well, Rob, what if I only have one contract? Then your entire trade is over at 247, you call it a day, and you move on to something else. Right? It's not that complicated of a setup, but for this, it must retest that 255 level. If it doesn't, no trade. All right? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. I will see all of you at our next update. Take care for now. Bye.